Gengem, Igbo Nyaga Gazeru, Tata that day. That we have been waiting for nature since the final day. Jpac yelu oge chioke kenjaka. Kalu sibo ya manifugo our sister we kuro chekapam. It shows one thing that na that tree. No way he ike diam nyota. Ada ni ika diliam. In fact, already ike diato. Ma tupa iga ni ruka igego di one night working. One night wine.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Please, this video will be a quick one. I know a lot of people will get up to see the video. Please, there's a video that I want to make, but I don't have the picture. I'm going to picture on your Buddha. They're like this picture, because and then this picture on your body like this, right? And when also a picture Jpac is all you pants red oguzo can't hold be henishi claiming that he's the same way this one claimed that he's creating content. Because any dream that picture, I know I used to have it, but I don't know where it is. And day one, good morning. Any dream that picture, please, if you have it, please do me a favor and send it to me in a video because I want to see something in that video. Because I need that picture because it's very, very important. Picture how you pant red and make a post. You can go there and post it under that post. Because I need it as soon as possible. Because before me share on Basa. Please. Very, very important. Jpac, I saw you praising one Ashawo. Said, thank you for standing on the truth and correcting you on your errors. Jpac, you're no longer ready for me. You're looking for one Ashawo who go present you. Don't worry, when I finish with you, I go face that Ashawo. Now me and I'm go close this Facebook. And when I pass it than saga. You know, people have been calling me okay. No. But you see you, when I'm done with you, is it that a shower where you they praise? Now me and I'm go short to this. Oh, wow, saga I got one of the hottest saga on this blue app. You know, people have been calling me, big man, I hope people okay, she's afraid of so person. Okay, relax, ya no. When I'm done with Jpac, I'm go check Jpac ko then maybe you dey face saga mpota. Apamona ya. We shall see. You know, sometimes you said when they do class again, but sometimes you get weird, you reduce yourself to their level. Facebook get welcome. So don't call anybody for your rescue at the moment. When I'm done watching G. Now let me tell you. I will target, like I said, let me make it clear. Until you apologize to my dad. And I'm not like them, do not apologize. Because in the name of one, I actually made the commercial for free. You might want a little brain. They are not doing it. They are coming to collect or get for you. And I'll be collecting. So instead of actually destroy Changi when they believe that they are the good people. Hey, if you talk about this, I will go for commercial in name. You brain. I know you think they are saving you. Let me open you your little sense that remaining. They will collect your job and eat it. Cause now also everybody day. Nobody likes you. The person that claiming to like you see why I have not been trying anything to deviate what I'm saying. They will claim they want to run free ad, but the person will see the idiot as a good person and they will collect you. You may destroy you. You have to do the need for you. Oh my father, an apology. Oh my mother, an apology. Is the facts. If you don't understand, you guys can say whatever you like. Okay, she's looking for contacts. When they don't reach for me. Now my contacts they look for me. So all these things when they do, they cover up. Then go collect food from your mouth, eat. Those are the you can't cancel the like you can't do the when I'm baby chain lacha destiny gi. They will pretend to love you because they want what you have. I don't want anything you have. Before that put on a Facebook, I don't do investment to finish. I am investor myself. What I go? 80 man before maga you are here. So anybody want to tell you, say, he can't cancel you, I will stand for you, I will go and run that commercial. They will collect your matter from you, and that is the mission. Okay, oh yeah. Let me block you so you will not see my saga again. Oh yeah, Otilo. Otilo Shingafo. I don't deal with. You what I go? I don't deal with. I'm a tirigi. Onyo ola nyeregi ad. I will be your worst nightmare. Actually, other hustlers. Pretending to be standing by you. I mean, my brain. All you need is a rescue. All you need in this game is rescue. Thinking that anybody that rescuing you need you. No. They will be the good person because you're no longer giving the service that the people nigga commercial required. Now they will come and collect it in the name of Ogechi is doing you wrong because your brain is so daft. I'm a kujirage something you don't understand. My mission is to see others that are better than you. So your service are no longer needed. Now let's give it to somebody who can do it better than you. That is the vision. And they are beginning to come to pretend to be a good person on your presence. Yeah, we hear now it's beginning to come to reality. Ige put on me. Ige put on me. Because any dream pants right down. Oh, you did not content go criteria. I won't saga myself. Just that people have been calling me Ogegno. But when I'm done with you, I'm going to Facebook what I go? So, but for now, I'm able to do so. Other people, I like you. I'm speaking for you. They're not get the thing, the name for free. My own email a commercial for free will not give you money. From there, they will collect only no. A brain give for a kuzu. Malo chief. A malo chief. You want to go? A malo ife. Brain give your IQ is very poor. You want to go? A malo chief for man. And we have anything to lose na any round of saga. My mission and your mission is not the same. My mission and your how do you think your enemy will suddenly like you? Your enemy will suddenly like you. I don't do commercial. I will come and be doing it for free. I will go and rent 200,000. No get you. Now people will wait, they hustle their pay. No, if the Igbo is no longer paying, they use another way to hustle. Look at so Jpac over sudden they like you. Hi. Oh my brother, you want them but brain. I don't see. You don't say, oh thank you for standing on the trip. Man, elite. You are just a moron. Imarife. Ige merila nemu na nemu apology. Ige merila mamu na mpamo apology. Whether you like it or you don't like it. Or I'm gonna make sure people will pretend to like you and collect your money, collect your brand, go another place. That is my mission. You owe my dead father an apology and my mother that didn't do you anything. Even they sent me your father's and your mother's picture. I will not bring it up, but I may put everything on your what I'm about you. Tomorrow, guys, it's and I'm about game of stupidity. Hey, I like you today because Ogechi. Ogechi is dumb. I will get you apologize and doesn't. I don't know my kakon baby. I don't know my kakon koiri. But I go. I got my gwagi. Namua with the grandmaster of Saga. product niile na-enye gị n'aka ga metiri ya. Let others pretend to be the one doing that commercial. Achọrọ m ka enye ya others. Ima echem na ndị Anambra na ami ihe amara m na ke gị your IQ dị very small. Nobody. I don't care. Whoever come to pretend to be a good person to go and rent camera 350,000 to say okay, you can't do. All of a sudden your enemy become your best friend. And you're just a daft. You're a daft. You owe my mom and my daddy's apology. An apology. Whether she gives me apology, hey, scatter your marriage. Now you and their business is none of my business. If you sign such contract with them, now you are don't give a fuck. Because people have been calling me, okay, don't do this, don't do that. I'm very brutal and dangerous. And I call you. You must apologize to my dead father you humiliated. You must apologize to my dead father you. I don't care who wants to come for your rescue. They are coming for your pockets. Those people that are thinking, okay, I'm coming to collect big men are interested in those big men. Okay, is looking for that big man. But they are interested and I want to do it for free. Oh, Jpac. We have a long way to go in this saga. Thank you for wisdom. It's a Manambra people now mind here, but some people are Olodo. You want to go? Those that are claiming to love you overnight because they can't stand the pain. They can't stand the pain, dear booby. They want to measure me with them banana or other possible. Just love you overnight. Now I want to protect the now lie. The mission for you not to get that and direct to yourself. Okay. Oh yeah, Otila. I block your destiny. Get the fuck out of here. Shingafo. I gotta make sure. That anything you put mouth to commercial. Hold on, let me block this idiot. Oh yeah, Otila. You want to go? I gotta make sure that those that are pretending to love you now will collect anything banaganaka will be fight oga saga. Anything that enters your hand saga products. That is the mission. So others that love you may with that commercial. That is the thing. That is the game. I mean home that again your others to do. Whether my home for free. Alright, not everybody like me. Okay. Obasa honogeoya, Otilo. Ngbapo. I don't want you to be among the poor. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop gamia. Stopping or no stopping. We are not stopping anybody. Just that any way saga products. Anything no put to Rakaga ways. I'm not telling you I'm stopping him. He will not Rakaga we hog. No will not Rakaga way saga product. Upon Mara Obarala Gemana Ebahamega what they call it. Ebahamega market today. One warrior. Let me block you. Oh yeah, get out. Shinga for get out. Shinga for. I don't want you to see it as anything. I want you guys to be patronizing it because I Achokunu got patronize here because I'm staggering it. After all, that's another way of commercial. You what I go? That's another way of commercial. Actually, I'm sure that people they make a Igbo or Igbo product, but not like a Jpac. Actually, I'm sure those that pretend to love Jpac overnight, we don't know what I on one hand in here. Don't block me. I want to see the end of this photo. You what I go? So the mission has beginning to execute now properly. That here no yanaka this man was in the game for free. You don't understand the strategy. Now, other people are willing to do it for free. Still, that is how it works. That thing on other people are not doing it for free. So you don't understand the strategy of the whole thing. Am I saying that other people cannot do the ad? Let them do it for free. Especially on Jpac is here. You don't even understand the concept of the whole thing. I'm apology. So I don't care who want to come to be your rescue. It's none of my goddamn business. After those people for free. So there is no need of paying you for you to do it. Because you're bargaining call here. That is the game. It's not about winning or it's not about it's not about who is doing it for free. It's about that the thing Jpac is no longer valid. That is the game. I should get man before my people many people in here for free. I will know now we declare wanted. Anything is possible. And I call you, I got me for free. Yeah, that day later. You don't understand that on camera that other people can volunteer their Igbo and do it for free. That is how it works. Now these people, I'll do it for free. You can't cancel it. Hello, that is what we are made of. You are a free product, and you continue to commercial for free. The person that is no longer valid in his hand. That is what I'm saying. Whoever wants to do it, you may try again because that's your product. That is your free market. It's not gonna be paid again in your hand. You don't understand how should I get me for free? That is the bone of contention here. Do not apologize. I will break your home because she need that to enter. Nah, wisdom is profitable to direct. Let other people make it to be real. Let other idiots or some prostitutes make it to be real. I don't give a fuck. Especially no back now. It's condemned. I'm not calling. I'm going to when they get volunteer. I'm going to make enemy. I know I'm going to be enemy. I know the enemy will come to support. It's not the one that's been supporting you. Is it not the one that's been supporting you? Do you think they're supporting you that they like you? No, because they are my enemy. They have to join other people to make a point. But my point never stopped. My point, my stand will never shake. You don't get it. I'm not coily. I'm not married. I'm not coily. The same connect is looking for big shots. Is it not the same connection you want to get before you start free marketing? Have you ever seen anybody not born on that name everything that do something for free? The connection where they don't be what they look for. It's the same game, but I got bug in the game. You should carry again because you will lodo. You also. As far as Shigina Kanaga is condemned or the Roma. Okay, matter. I should go there. Of course, I want to make enemy on any platform. I want to make enemy that people like to go there and criticize me. I want to make enemy where people will go and criticize, but the thing will happen me, brought out all and happen me on destroy here. I'm not coily. What is my business within the mega for free? What wanna give away baby until you apologize to my father and my mother? I don't have time. I have a mission. You cannot, when a path you cannot cross. There is a path you cannot cross. You all know what I'm getting mechage. And when a path you cannot cross, you cannot over. You got cross that path. People that don't value their parents, they don't value their mother. That is your business. But for me, as far as you are the first person, or as far as you are the first person that gave it to my enemies, yes. Are you okay? You get just John Negi more okay. You get just John Negi more okay. You what I go? You get just John Negi man Negi okay. I know you a weakener. I'm a weakener. You will not sit down and remember one thing and then again Negi. I know that is why you don't value them. You what I go? As for me, I will value them for the rest of my life, whether they are alive or harm. You understand the game? They are aware of what I'm saying. Whether that valueness can gather. Maybe people that cannot, that don't know what it takes to have parents. That don't have parents. People who the value of your parents. Whether one thing or two or two things, you can still remember it to stand by the grace of God. And I shall not because you could be on a video. What all this long process I'm talking now? You could be because you that picture Jpac is so pants white. Sorry, pants red. That picture Jpac is so pants red. Any dream here? That pants red also. That pants red also. I know you, Jpac. I know you're looking for a savior on this game, but I can that those people you're looking for their savior are not my problem. Now you are the problem. Until when I'm done with you, then I will look for who else is my problem. Good morning, pretty angel. You want to go? So let's continue because that Seaman, I showed video and like I told you, I did not finish watching the video, but I took my time and Zaga. I finished watching that video. So because even a pant red, even also pant red. But tell me a picture. I know I used to have that picture, but I don't have it anymore. They are doing it in the name of Onyola mega commercial. What I go? Any dream here because that particular pant red they post through me here. You when drop it under that comment section because it's very important. Drop all of me under that comment section, please. Anything are very important. What I go? So because you when do me one favor. Send post where you're under. I'm here to always tell you that I'm with you till the end of time. Much love. Okay, thank you, Ifeanyi, my dear. I'm in the name this thing and hand me. See you. When you talk about people who enemy, I'm number one on this blue app. Because I know my boy Joku. But just of all these women, they are prostitutes. So when I say it the way they hate me. But just of all these men, they're all when I say it, they get annoyed. So when you talk about somebody with an enemy, Ogechi is number one. Ogechi is number one. See the kind of words that comes out of your mouth makes you wicked. Come on, Shinga Faisal. Come on, Jelo, the Choro to work and Amagamo to that. Susan Shinga Shinaya Jenny Wosu. Fuck off, because so when you see those people commenting, they are my enemies, people that have already dealt with. People that are in perpetual pain, whether Ogechi they will see us as the wrong thing. So they don't exist as far as I'm concerned. You want to go? Those are the people that fought that they couldn't achieve anything. So when you see them gather that place, they are in pain. They are in agony, which I don't send any of them. So it does not matter. It doesn't matter. You want to go? So when you see it, yes. When you come up telling me, yes, okay, you want to name me. People, do you know how long I have fought on this blue app? I have fought over 9 to 10 years. This blue app. So why do you think I will not have an enemy? Yes, I do. But the bone of contention is Jpac, whether you like it or not. Let other people do the commercial for you. Let them do it for free. I just in here online because if other people can volunteer to do everything for free, why are people paying you? If other people can volunteer to do it for free, then why are you being used? Is it not? I mean, does it really make sense? Does it really make sense or not? If people now can voluntarily do ego, and the people will go for it, why do you think people will be giving you job again? Nobody is wasting money for anything. No. Okay, Chiku. Please, if you want to stand one place, stand one place. Don't come in directly. I hate men that cannot come straight forward. Oshi story. You know the tire. For how long will you continue like this? Get the fuck out. For how long will you continue to come to my platform and display your stupidity? How long will you continue to come here to view me? If I'm not tired, are you not tired? If I'm not tired, are you not tired of coming to check when I'm talking? Are you not fucking tired? Come on, Susan Gishinga, for before I block you. Ndala, ndala. If I am not tired, are you not tired as well? Somebody that's telling me I'm not tired, are you not tired? So, please, any dream that short, oh, you read. There is no need of people paying you money to be doing commercial. If people can volunteer and do it free, I'm not going to rent camera 200,000 for free. Mayor, so why are you being paid in the ad and around? Is it not waste of money and waste of time? When you get your bag and up your job. When business person get back job, nobody. So my mission is almost being completed, as you're saying it as well. That some people will volunteer to be doing it for free. Why? Nobody will pay you a dime. Rather, you will do it for free as well. But even if for free or for money, it's being damaged in your hands. So no need of coming to you. You can see that everything is also working according to my plan. Okay, you actually wake up from sleep. Good morning, I'm with you. Never mind what comes your way. I don't even understand your English. It doesn't make sense. I'm kind of confused. You're trying to put things together. You want to go? So you wear that pant red, oh you they post to carry all the time. That pant red, please, you wear the picture. Post it under there because all the very important. Why must they be giving you a job if many people that can offer to give rent something self when you go there for free? Be mamba na worege. Ihe jeri nri ka na acho for free. Iche na na-eme m maka Chineke imekwa alam. God imekwa alam. Do you know how much I'm making a day? Here I'm sitting talking to you. Megolem na making a day. Muno na agba ọsọ ahịa na Facebook. Get don't suffer. Na ma grab school lo para we na n'aka. Eso mu na ezuzu. E wataga? Very soon na ma pay one of my biggest opening business in America na koiri. Yeah, na we go oil or we go rubbish. Or we go Facebook is no longer paying much. We are talking about hair care money. Kana koiri wo nyara mo na go no. Let me tell you, some people say Ugechi are they jealous Jpac. On what ground, if I may ask you? Do you know where Japom, the rugged investor? Some people are just useless. I just they look when they laugh. I need jealous. Please, what am I jealousing him for? I want you to be specific. And I'm a jealous. I'm not going to mad punye yung bombe muna ede na mma. Ejo account ya share with account ya punye yung go. People they want to appreciate you. I will tell them, go and ask him now. Jealousy and again. And me jealousy that all come. Or me jealousy that all come mad. Can me jealousy that the contact on that one. Which contact again left for him? The only strong contact if I know every other person are just a normal contacts. Jpac, you know I know you better. I get to that chocolate. I wish you know. I wish you know. Anyway, you know they tired. Okay, I have to go down here. And I call you. What is the essence of paying you when people are? Don't you see that a robot is doing better than human being if they can put up almost how many strength work? And the human being can only put on 8 hours. They can put on 24 hours. Why are you using human being when they can do it better? Time will become a because I did dream that pants because every video drop this morning. I wanted to reply him. And I call it. Okay, when I get for a hustle, I may make you capital being wow. What did they aware? It's an obakashimon. It's not that. I know, said anybody. I'm coming. Oh, mambuzo, very chaggy. Make sure that when you're little, I can't go to anything. Very chaggy. Whether Ogechi is a criminal, whether Ogechi scam people, whether Ogechi don't yash your mama, whether Ogechi don't yash your papa, it's none of my business. That one is none of my business. My mission, we could that thing in a rekuya, Urobana. Because when they gauge makam order that thing, when people gauge makam haga order. Do you understand it? And when my fans that love me, that want to buy that thing, they will not buy it because I tell you, okay, they are aware. And when the people they follow that they will not patronize you. When people get makamu enemy, they will patronize it. But no businessman wants such division. Every businessman wants everybody to come and patronize him or her. Am I what I'm saying? So if you're going to sell of 50%, you end up selling of 25%. That is the strategy of this thing I'm doing to you now. Ewu ETB. I shall go and face. Aya, get the fuck out of here. Aya, fuck off. Aya, uplock a langue bogeji another account to be on a mekwage. Are you not useless? Aya, fuck off. I don't associate with touts. Normally fair. You want to go? So, I just want you to understand that. You want to go? And when credibility, when fans that love me for not having credibility, that have criminal record, and when fans that love me, I get criminal record. I have a bad record. There are still fans that love it the way I am. Those fans may love to patronize you, they will not buy it. Oh, when you very poor IQ, when they talk, people want an IQ like him or her. We say, oh, you spoke well. You analyze very well. Don't you know that when they like me having criminal, nakeding people, being who I am? Do you guys reason at all? And when many options when it comes to business strategy, Wale. Business option now, OMG like America. They don't like any dispute in whatever they are saying or in whatever they are doing. When it comes to this product, let's assume company when you keep producing and when you keep 50. And when you take out chocolate away dent. Because you know why? There are a lot of competition in the market. They will always ask you, how is their customer service? You got to go? And when who company na choco dent, no matter whether the person or enemy or anything, all of them want to please everybody. Because you know what? There are a lot of competition. And then you know they want a lot of people near furniture. They want a lot of people near lands. So nobody wants any discrepancy or any question mark na business on our own. Do you understand it? Emma, when someone with a little IQ, when all reason I want forward of the, let me tell you, there's a lot of competition now on this in this world. And when you try to put a product you have a question mark, and I buy ticket. One person actually, yes, because if I said it, everybody will buy is a lie. People love me when it comes to people and when I'm fans. No matter how you say you hate Ogechi, I still get fans who love me. Down Coco. Ejiri mbe putara mere nwa agu ata commercial mara. Aso nwa agu ga agbage. People koni him zuala in a day carry 50. Go and verify, no be talk. And I call you get it. You don't have credibility. Come on, Michelle. Shut up. Shut up. You get put on me. You get put on me. You think it's all these recharge card people that follows you and comment. Yes, you are saying the truth. Yes, they will be the one to patronize the market. Hell no. And when them reach followers. And when them followers that is worth money. No be talk. I want this recharge card. Hey, let's comment. Yes, I hate her. Do you know the strategy of business? What do you find? In a brain. Do you have brain? Let me tell you. Do you think I moved to mountain for him in a twinkle of an eye? And the fans now fans in the recharge card. Fans me no be recharge card fans. Makachile can they tell you no be recharge card fans. You know this a lot of enemies in Rogechi. When I recharge card people I don't finish and I shower retired bitch saying rubber. And they tell you I the boss for them because I know what they are capable of doing. Now in my bad dangerous to Mayfield fans in them 5 point something million. You don't be talking, no miss new people, even the men people. Hello, mommy. I hope you are. Hey, I'm restaurant. We send the alarm message. I cannot come no. I'm still at work, baby girl. Sorry, baby boy. What should I restaurant? Hello, Momo. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Sick. I had a really bad headache today. I could have caused in class. I miss my. Yes, I'm cute again. Okay, mom, you're on one more. Okay, when I'm coming tonight, I'm coming home. I will see you when I come back. Is the change of weather? Oh, you're not weather changing, Hannah. The change of weather. Yeah, should I get a buy better? How should I win a code? You're not my soya, miracle. She like ginger. Because I'm a cliche with this traditional stuff for Gabake. She'll be my. Now, let me tell you one thing you don't understand. And when any businessman and a trust saga in his business, let's money baby build a very high clientele. Man that don't want a strong go. When he sago no game it. But where competition is very strong. Aya, Jpac told me that he would negate money. Aya, Otilo, but here. They want to go? So you know be talker. You know be talker. When this Ezugo here post you today, you will see Ezugo go tell you. I never put my out for them. I just posted them because I wanted 2 hairs there. I just from Gia support Toya as a brother. That is me for you. You want to go? Don't be surprised, baby. You know me go pay for them. You know be talker. My mother Leila strong foundation. Now this blue, no matter how you talk, so Ogechi is a criminal, Ogechi kill Mr. Obi, Ogechi scamming the Igbo, Ogechi scamming the Biafra. Now you they talk to yourself. After you finish ranting with all your propaganda, you enter inside. So all people with a minority brain, they have a very small brain that can say, if you apologize to Ogechi, I will help your wife for scatter your the marriage where you could not keep. The marriage where you marry anyway, I'm coming, Jpac, let me even finish with you. I came saga. You see this saga? Hey! I got one of the hottest saga on Blue app. Save Maya. Because Facebook, data go born. Data go born. I should come back to Nigeria. I know they come. Ebook room tickets, and a ticket is one of the most expensive things in the world. How will I come? Where may I go? I don't have $4,000 to $5,000. Where am I gonna get it from? I don't have money. TK, you know. So book ticket for me. You will see me tomorrow. Or you cannot tell me be coming back while I don't have the money. I don't want to wait to property when I go play. And imagine me now, maybe with 5 to 40. I'm going to go ticket. The 5 to even 14,000 as I'm speaking to you for business class. No, we do they come to investments. Come on, 500,000. Sorry, $500 to $1 million naira. I know they come back. Oh. I know they come back. You can't force me. I'm not coming. You have to like it too much. You got that again. I'm not Nigeria. Anywhere they was a Ghana. Crowd go plenty. If I return Niger, no matter how you propaganda reach you, if I land Niger, as it is now, road no go day. And I'm like, time is almost up. Time also got watching. So anywhere I enter, even if the hotel I go lodge, because I don't go stay by house. lie. Even if the hotel like a day, but I go just visit and make sure that everything intact. Anywhere I go there, it go be rugged. Even that person get rugged. Come to Russia. I can go to Russia. That's why you have to come. We are your fans. No, you're not my fans. Because my fans cannot comment this stupid. Madam, face your marriage and leave this man alone. Okay. Ogi face your marriage before I started beef with you. Mbemuna Jpac then wasn't I facing my marriage? When my husband the boy Jpac we are boy she no ma sure Jpac yash okay. O ma honye dimgo. Born as a yes sir. O ma honye. Chineka bolu no kon and go back. I go protect you with everything I have because we love. Please, I don't want come. Oh. I don't want come. Because to protect you, they cannot Nigeria. Jpac can exist good it ala no more. Jpac cannot go with Jpac cannot. Because chala no pantala there. Because any dream, all my warriors they take to do. I could have. I could have. In my some people say, "Ogechi want a lot of enemy. Let's be talking against her." Imagine somebody say, "Ogechi, that I was the one castigating her." Nah, one cash cool. Anyway, don't worry. That's a story for another day. Because Facebook will get one call. Oga will saga without end. Say Facebook. Let me tell you, I have fucking nothing to lose. My children, they won't hold you in Facebook. Amen. I've already told them. That's my life. This is all my family. They don't give a fuck about all this. They know who their mama is. Hey, we leave our children to see it. Fuck you. How your children go feel. My children, they won't have time with this rubbish. They don't get time. This is me. And they know. If your children, they think go pen them. No do. Mine, no go. Nothing go pen them. Because I'm training them in the best school. They are going one of the best schools. They are not in public. They are private schools. And when we hear that shit today that I did not offer them. So what will be their business and what I did as a grown up woman? Gonna go deal with on a problem. You know? What about Nda porn stars? They proud of it, name the children gabalagazi mahato. Ndala. Onare who worried about people that have already deformed and destroyed their lives. Ya will get you a talk. Ndala. So just on name. Women are being selling their nudes. You guys are not worried about that one. Ya will get your talk. I wait till my children go look me. Come on, this is for me. Gonna go deal with all my mess. Now time is for a boss today, just like that time when reach. Tomorrow I'm off. Oh thank God. Off tomorrow. But I'm punk. That bank. That bank. Very important. Story all the time. Yes, if I want to get the story, you will not leave that story alone. I will keep telling the story. Charles, Metonda Woody. Charles, Metonda, may that your career be careerless. May that your career be careerless. Ebe, ị ga-elecha onye kparịrị nna m, kparịa nna m, kparịa nne m, bo m ebubo. Nna m jikwara ra m, nna m jikwa ba m n'ike, m jikwara mụọ ndị akpa ahụ, and that one n'ụhụ ya. Career ga ahụ gbukwe gidi ya. You ready to go? Yeah. All right, Mama. I got ready to go in the hallway in front of you. All right. Enjoy your off day. All right, baby. See you Friday. Sure, baby. Okay. Whatever. Career ahụ gbuo gị, gbuo nne gị, gbuo nna gị, gbuo anything that will stand to make that your useless career. May that your career choke you. So when I was more because I wasn't a career. Mama, this is the recent one that happened yesterday. You brought out my mother. You don't know that it's a career. If career chop you go pam uramu gina pam career buopun. A career on mapun rubit. Onane career. My mom destroy career and career ha kwaje he bobo jim pam. By then anye pe mi ikpe ya. Na koyiri. Don't worry, online go for free now. Is it that job? They have volunteered because what you want is what they are looking for. Enemy has become a friend overnight. Again, I'm not God. I am not God. If you want to be God, you go and be in that position to be forgiven 20 times. I am not God. I'm a human being. That's why I'm on this earth. I am not God. I am not God. Don't compare me with Chineke. And I'm not a prophet. I'm not a pastor. I am giving me brag. You want to go? God do she image all madi begi before you come and ask for forgiveness in his presence. Or you go to be na Bible. You go to be okay now. Okay. I remember I cannot block this J Cola. It's just coming out only band. Why I cannot block you? I just wanna block you. This HIV positive man. That's why I block again. You know, I can only ban you. I don't know. My phone is not allow me to block people. Abraham, but not come. No, no. My mission is beginning to suffer to happen. I don't know again. Also for free, and I can marry the guy. Some people say for free. Jpac. And yeah, I go. I got a free. That means a Bama Huru. That means a Bama Huru. So why are you existing? That means I have scattered you. And I go get valueless. That's another people gonna miss here for free. Jpac. When you gonna go? I'm gonna just say bang for free. I'm gonna actually make a go. Like a papa go. When we start getting ready to go. I'm not gonna book me. I will be doing it for free. I will be doing it for free. Mama, like I say, come see. I'll be done never when they be doing. All the plan. The plan is business free. After all, I not for free. On a for in you come on, Zuzu phone on my face or say so. And no, I come. The business people, not like you hear me. Free marketing, free marketing, oh way. Free marketing, okay, to be thankful. Charles, say, fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck off. Thankful to Igbo Negi. Thankful to Igbo Negi. They I do go purity. Thank you, bless you. God bless you all, man. Ndị Igbo na-akwagide arụ. Come to Nigeria. I know God come. I know they come. No need of telling me to come because I'm not coming, baby girl. If you're waiting for me, you're waiting for nothing. I can't come to Nigeria. I am not coming. Igalo Balamu this year. Balamegala this year. I'm Nozubune Channel. We are no longer interested in saga. We love. Oh yeah. Why are you here then? Come block. Thank God the block put. Woo! Hallelujah. Then why are you here? Why are you fucking here? I am not coming. Why are you here? If I may ask you, you're no longer fucking interested and you're using fake account to come to my platform. You must come be this girl. They play the show. You know, my mission is beginning to make it happen. They play the show now. Mission never complete. As if for free marketing. Hey, yeah, my turn. Good. As if for free market. Oh more. Hey. And when serious than a program for Judas is carrot. And then me make sure to go over. God don't answer our prayer today. We shift, make a do. God don't answer our prayer. He they play, he they show. If any everything we don't ask God, we don't complete and for us. So yeah. Chineke, omezola anyị ya. Engelege. Chineke, omezola anyị yo. Engelege. Everything we ask for God, engelege. Omezola anyị yo. Engelege. Nwere ihe oge echi muziga. Any nanny or Chineke, O Mezolania, Chineke, O Menani number. Here, but I did it, Chineke, Menani. No, Chineke. Wait from watching all of that. Or do Menamuri, I am break, Menamuri. Oh, man, I'm going to name me. I got enemy. I detect now person when no saying get enemy they die on time. As for me, I get enemy. I know my boundaries. Stay say We make the payments. Eh? But I'm enemy a big time one. Big time one. I never see for kind. These kind enemies. They fool everywhere. And I know say I get them. These kind of I'll never see your kind. This kind of blessed be your holy name. Born Nigerian, Brazilian now. You know, be your mama, your papa get them. And now na Nigeria, no be man. No, na mama get them, boy. No be your mama get them. Mama get them now. So why are you guys worried about me? Alright, guys, see you.